Hey mate, I don't have my mustache twirled up like I normally do. 1 second here. Anyway, I'm gonna say I'm a professional bird caller. Watch this. Epic shout out to Walmart. Love you. Even got the state bird robins nest as soon as I walk outside the door. Right here, I want to fix this right here, but I'm afraid because this is a robin's nest that, like, it's a state bird here in Michigan. So, bird looks like an eagle. You gotta take care of her. And I feel lucky that she chose to have her eggs here. She's out here in the lawn right now. I mean, this is where she eats at, where the food's at. Started off as porch birds during the winter, was living underneath the porch. And now that the weather has letting up and now that the fly, she decided to build her nest right here above the door. So every time when you walk out, she'll peep down at you or she'll fly. But there's 3 eggs in there. But either way, back to bird whistling. But yeah, I like to say I'm a professional bird whistler, bird caller. I don't even know if you can put that on a resume. But either way, just wanted to show you a few things.